If you like the video, make a drink and subscribe to the channel.
Looking like a particularly vibrant TLX sedan, the Valencia Red Pearl Painted PMC Edition takes its name from the brand's performance manufacturing center in Marysville, Ohio, where final assembly of the model will be completed. Regular TLX models are assembled at the nearby Marysville auto plant. Just 360 examples of this special model will be built over 6 months starting this summer, with pricing estimated to be around $50,000, according to a statement released Thursday. Beyond the crazy rich nano-pigment paint borrowed from the NSX, you might be wondering, what makes the 2020 Acura TLX PMC Edition so special? Starting with the conventional a-spec all-wheel drive model's body in white, master technicians will hand-assemble each example at PMC away from the regular production line, including adding all of the driveline, chassis and electrical components. In fact, so much of the assembly work on these models will take place at PMC that the facility will be its manufacturing location of origin. Each sedan then receives PMC-specific gloss black 19-inch wheels with matching lug nuts, along with model-specific exterior finishes including a body-colored grille surround and 4-inch dual exhaust tips rendered in dark chrome. In an effort to add a bit more contrast and menace, the roof panel and door handles are finished in gloss black, as well. Inside, TLX PMC Edition models are treated to black Milano leather seats incorporating black piping, red stitching and Alcantara faux suede inserts. There's matching red stitching on elsewhere in the cabin, along with a serialized PMC plaque. Uniquely, each TLX PMC Edition will be subjected to the same battery of quality control tests as the NSX, which Acura says includes dyno check, final paint inspection, rough road simulation and water leak test. Once the ink is dry on that checklist, completed models will be wrapped in a unique PMC car cover and shipped to dealers via enclosed car carrier. Interestingly, Acura has declined to make performance modifications to the TLX's V6 driveline, meaning that the PMC Edition relies on the same 3.5-liter direct injected unit and 9-speed automatic that many ordinary TLX models come equipped with. In conventional TLX guise, at least, that combination is good for 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, and those same numbers will almost certainly apply here. According to reports, Acura will exhume its Type S higher performance model family soon, but it has yet to reveal which vehicle in its line will get the treatment first. If around $50,000 sounds a bit rich for a TLX with special paint and trimmings, know that it's not that far off the regular model's pricing. While a base, front-wheel drive TLX with Acura's 2.4-liter i4 starts at an affordable $33,000 plus $995 for delivery, a comfortable a-spec model with the optional V6 and tech package runs a shade over $46,000 before accessories. In other words, given the extra TLC and wicked paint job, the 2020 TLX PMC Edition may prove to be a sought-after upgrade for the brand's faithful. As it is, the TLX is quietly outselling higher-profile sports sedans like the BMW 3 Series and Audi A4 in the US. Acura spokesman Chris Naughton confirms to Roadshow that the company won't have any sort of special reservation or ordering process for the new model. Customers can simply go to their local dealer and express their interest.